Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick video to help you with your homework tonight. We're going to be looking at how we can add fractions with like denominators, because that's what your homework is on tonight. So remember, step one is to look at those denominators. We realize that a tenth and a sixth cannot be added together as it is. So we need to create a common denominator. In order to do this, we need to find the least common denominator of 10 and 6. So we're going to find those multiples, the multiples of 10 and the multiples of 6. So we say 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 6 is 60. And I'm going to stop there because I know at least 60 is going to be a common multiple. But let's go back here to 6. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30. And I'm going to stop there because I remembered saying 30 as a multiple of 10. So my least common multiple is 30, which means my least common denominator is also 30. This number right here is going to be my new denominator for my equivalent fractions. So I know that 30 is going to be the new denominator. Let's make that a little neater. All right. In order to figure out the numerator, I have to think about what did I multiply 6 by to get to 30. And I know that I multiplied by 5. If I don't remember that, I can always go over here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 thirtieths is my new equivalent fraction to 2 sixths. We're going to do the same thing with this fraction. 10 times 3 gives me 30. What I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 thirtieths is my equivalent fraction to 3 tenths. I now have common denominators, so I can add these together. Remember, your denominator stays the same, so I still am talking about thirtieths, and all I'm going to do is add those numerators. 9 plus 10 equals 19. So the answer is 19 thirtieths. Now I'm going to think to myself, can I simplify? And I know that I cannot, because when I factor 19, all I can do is 1 times 19. And I know 19 cannot go into 30. So this is in simplest form. 19 thirtieths is the answer to 3 tenths plus 2 sixths. So remember, this is exactly what you are going to do on tonight's homework. You have to find the least common denominator, make equivalent fractions, and then only add the numerator. Once you have an answer, think to yourself, can I simplify this? If not, you've made your answer. If you can, go ahead and simplify it and circle that. Good luck tonight.